Hello aspirants, welcome to Little Officers, your friends in UPSC preparation. Please subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon for regular updates. In this video, we are going to look at the syllabus of GS paper 3 for the mains examination. In the previous two videos, we have covered GS 1 and GS 2. I am providing the links in the description. Please go through them. So in the GS paper 3, we have these broad concepts. Like first, we'll start with the economic development and security, technology, environment and biodiversity, and finally we'll be looking at disaster management. All right, so let us begin with the first one, which is economic development. See, under economic development, these are the topics that we have to cover. So first and foremost, it is related to planning and mobilization of the resources, growth and development, and as well as employment. Then second one is what is inclusive growth and what are the issues arising from it. Then third, we'll be focusing on government budgeting. So how the budgeting process takes place, how it is introduced, what are the different stages in it, all of that will be covered here. Then major crops. See, this topic we will integrate with the GS paper 1 under geography. Particularly when we study about environmental geography, there we'll see what are the climatic factors for various crops. So that topic will be integrated with it, and here we'll learn about various crops and cropping pattern in India. Then other issues related to storage, transport and marketing of the agricultural produce, and issues and related constraints. Particularly we'll be looking at the aid of e-technologies for the farmers. Then next one is issues related to direct and indirect farm subsidies, particularly with respect to minimum support price, which is very much highlighted nowadays, and public distribution system, and what are the objectives, functions, and what are the limitations, how to revamp them. All of them will be studied here. Then food processing, that is the next important topic. So how food can be processed in order to increase the shelf life of food so that we can reduce the post harvest losses, and how can we manage this supply chain. So these issues will be covered here. Then next important topic is land reforms in India. See, after independence we have taken many land reforms. Those things will be studied here. Then liberalization on the economy, changes in the industrial policy. Then finally we'll be focusing on infrastructure, particularly with respect to energy, ports, roads, airports, railways, etc. Then different investment models like private, public and private public partnership. Under PPP we have various models like Swiss model, hybrid annuity model. All these models will be covered here. Okay, so this is economic development. Now let us see the next section, which is technology. See, under technology section we'll be looking at what are the developments and their applications and effects in the daily life. Then achievements of Indians in the science and technology and indigenization, that is how Indians are providing their domestic level of developments in the science and technology, and developing of new technologies like from the India. So these things will be highlighted here. Then awareness in the fields of information technology, space, computers, robotics, nanotechnology, biotechnology, etc. will be covered here. Okay, and one more important topic, which is intellectual property rights. That is, if you create something, if you innovate something, so the right given to that individual. So what are the issues related to that will be studied here. So this is technology portion. Then we'll move to third one, which is environment and biodiversity. So here we'll be looking at conservation, environmental pollution, degradation and environmental impact assessment. This environmental impact assessment is very important topic. So these are the topics given in the UPSC syllabus. Then the fourth one, which is disaster management. So under disaster management we'll be looking at what are the disasters and how they can be managed, and what are the phases of disaster management. This topic will link it with GS paper 1. So under geography, where we will be studying about geographical phenomena like earthquakes, volcanoes, etc. will be studied there. So that same topic will be linking here, but here we will be looking from the management perspective, like disaster management perspective. Clear? Then finally we have this internal security. So here we'll be linking between development and spread of extremism. So you have in syllabus what is extremism and where it is spread and what are the issues, why it is there. So how can we reduce it? Then we'll be looking at external states and non-state actors in creating challenges to the internal security, like particularly in the border states. Then challenges to the internal security through the technology like communication networks, IT, or role of media and social networking sites. So all these things will be studied here, and along with that, various aspects of cyber security and money laundering, etc., will be covered. So these are money laundering is related to the corruption, and its prevention will also be looked at here. Then we'll be looking at security challenges and their management in the border areas. Like particularly we have a long border with various countries. So in those border areas, we will be looking at what are the challenges so posed by the geography, climate, and the internal issues. Okay. Then we'll be linking it with organized crime and what is the link of this organized crime with the terrorism. So there is a close nexus that will be studied under this topic. Then various security forces and agencies and their mandate, like for example we have border security and we have coastal guards, we have navy, air force. So what is their mandate and how they work, so what are the different agencies that are taking care of all these security issues will be covered here. So these are all the topics. I hope you have understood, and if the content of this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and help us reach to the other aspirants. Thank you very much for watching.